In this training video, we will be going over programming the release from liability form. This is where you would put the name of the form that would appear on the side here in this side dashboard. You could change this though if you wanted to. This is your form title, which would appear at the top of the form. It's called Release from Liability. You could change that as well. The release from liability form is excellent for protecting your equipment. So that's why we've named it that. You have this toolbar here where you could change all this different text. So you can edit this and do what you like. There's a lot of power in this program. A lot of flexibility. We also have tokens that you can add anywhere within the text, and it would put it in the proper computer code to show up on your form. We also have statements where you could put an input field such as this one, and you could do that as well. Let's say that you wanted to revert back to the original form. You said you decided you liked it better the way it used to be, so you could revert back here. This box is for adding note boxes at the bottom if you should need that to further describe some of the things you needed to describe on that particular job site. Now, all this programming is going to be showing up on your release from liability form. This is what it looks like. This is what we have programmed in thus far. Again, you could change all this under programming. You have your note box, and you could sign right here as well. So very, very flexible on all of this. To your success, and thank you for watching.